wonder why J-pop hashtags go viral?
Open your phone and type this into ChatGPT. Make this photo look like a glossy magazine ad. That sentence is the reason simple editing apps are suddenly nervous. For years, photo editing was built around sliders, brightness, contrast, saturation, maybe a filter pack if you wanted the image to look more expensive than it was. But prompt-based editing changes the job. You no longer need to know which button fixes the image. You describe the result. Turn this messy product shot into a clean studio photo. Remove the background, keep the reflection, and make the lighting softer. Make this apartment photo look brighter without changing the furniture. That is why the threat is not just to one app. The threat is to the whole idea that editing must feel like software. The first shift is language. A normal user does not think in curves, masks, layers, or presets. They think in outcomes. They want the photo to sell the item, look good on Instagram, or make a thumbnail stop the scroll. Prompt editing matches that language directly. The second shift is speed. A creator who used to open 3 apps can now ask for the edit in one place, then ask for revisions like they are talking to an assistant. Make it less fake. Make the colors warmer. Give me 3 versions for a TikTok cover. That is not a small convenience. That is a new workflow. The third shift is distribution. ChatGPT already sits inside the daily habit of writing, planning, researching, and brainstorming. If photo editing appears inside that same habit, users do not need to remember a separate app exists. This is the quiet danger for simple editing tools. They may still be better at specific professional controls. But for casual users, the winner is often the tool that is already open. So, what happens next? Editing apps will not disappear overnight. The strong ones will add AI prompts, templates, brand kits, collaboration, and professional precision. They will try to become the final production desk, not just the first edit. But the low-effort filter app has a harder problem. If its main value was one-tap improvement, prompt-based AI can copy that value and explain the edit at the same time. The deeper story is that AI is turning creative software into conversation. You do not just edit a photo. You negotiate with the image. And once people get used to that, every app with a confusing toolbar starts to feel older than it looked yesterday. That is why ChatGPT photo prompts matter. They are not just making pictures prettier. They are teaching users that the interface for creation might simply be a sentence.